In our previous experiment, we saw how we could make a crystalline structure made out of metallic tin by adding a zinc pellet to a clear solution of tin chloride. In this experiment, we will be creating tin dendrites by using an electric current. Dendrites are the thin threads or string that branch out of a central cell, like the dendrites that branch out of a neuron in the brain cell. For this experiment, we will need tin chloride, sodium hydrogen sulfate, liquid soap, a petri dish, electrodes, and a battery power supply containing 4 AAA batteries. We first prepare the tin chloride solution by adding the sodium hydrogen sulfate to the tin chloride. Then we pour the tin chloride solution into the petri dish, after shaking it. As you can see, the solution will not cover the whole petri dish. To make the liquid distribute evenly across the whole dish, we need to decrease the surface tension of the surface of the solution by adding a drop of liquid soap to the solution until it covers the whole dish. We next connect the 2 electrodes to opposite sides of the petri dish, making sure the electrodes are in contact with the solution. Finally, we now start the electric current flowing by connecting the electrodes to the batteries. As you can see, tin ions in the solution that are near the negatively charged electrode, the black one, will transform into metal tin. The tin ions are positively charged and will gladly accept some of the electrons at the negative electrode and turn into metallic tin. This process is called electrolysis, a process by which chemical reactions are induced by an electric current. The metallic tin will then gradually form long dendrite-shaped crystals throughout the solution, branching out from the electrode. Thank you for watching.